What are you doing?
Transportation is a huge part of the lives of all people. On college campus, this is even more important element. All students are involved in transportation in one way or another because it is a vital part of today's world. On the majority of all college campuses, several green and mass transportation options are available to faculty, staff, students, and visitors. On a global scale, 25% of all greenhouse gas emissions are from the entire transportation sector. This is a huge percentage as a result of a growing environmental consciousness across the globe. Many movements have been started to shift our way of life and even our way of thinking in becoming a more sustainable global community. Here, the Transportation Office of the College of Brockport claims to have a multitude of green initiatives. The few departments list some of the most important include Brockport's Fast Tracks, campus bike borrowing program, online rideshare tool for searching for carpool and driving partners, shuttle services. Our group has hypothesized that the green transportation provided by SUNY Brockport is underutilized and the options available are not widely known.
Why did you study this? Go.
In order to find out if results could support our hypothesis, we designed a survey to gauge what students and staff on campus knew about the green options and availabilities offered by the Transportation Office. Our questions were, what is your role on campus? Do you live on campus? Do you have a car on campus? Are you aware of any green initiatives by the Parking and Transportation Office? Do you use any of the campus transportation options or initiatives, such as the campus shuttle, the Fast Tracks bike borrowing program, Hertz on Demand, public transportation, rideshare, or the bike borrowing program that is run by the town? Do you walk to buildings on campus? Do you feel that the campus offers you a variety of green transportation options? Do any of your classmates use transportation options? We asked 36 people, including students and staff, these questions all around campus. We asked in over 3 locations in order to assure a bias-free sample. Next, we will discuss the results.
What did you find out?
In our survey, we discovered that 2/3 of the participants live on campus. Beyond this, less than half have a car. Despite the lack of transportation access, few students heavily utilize the options available from the college. Less than 1/3 of those we surveyed were aware of green initiatives provided by the college. Many had never used the transportation provided altogether. Despite this, the majority of the students felt that the campus had plenty of sustainable transportation options available to them. This certainly shows an inconsistency.
What does that all mean?
It's obvious that there is something wrong with the connection between student use of green transportation options and the belief that there are plenty of sustainable selections available. Is it the lack of communication? Is it because the surveyed sample size? We felt that it was both. If the transportation department advertised its available services, not only would many more students be informed about the resources available to them, but they would also utilize these much more. Perhaps a spark of participation in the transportation department could even increase involvement in other green movements in other departments on campus. As far as the sample size goes, our sample was limited because potential participants were unwilling to take the survey, and we did not have an easy mass way to get the survey out to students, staff, and faculty.